Ready for a learning journey to master IT service management and delivery? Whether you're looking to enter the IT market, enhance your existing expertise, or understand how to make IT a more effective part of any business, you are in the right place to gain crucial knowledge and practical skills. Hi, I'm Ali Saghaeian, with over 18 years in IT service management, much of it leading larger-scale ServiceNow implementations and transformations. I've helped tens of thousands of learners excel on this powerful platform, and I'm thrilled to be your guide here and introduce ITSM Foundations, Optimizing IT Service Management, a comprehensive course in collaboration with Starweaver and Coursera. This course equips you with the essential skills for modern IT service management. You will dive deep into core ITSM principles and ITIL best practices, shifting IT to a service-centric model, gain critical hands-on experience with ServiceNow, managing incidents, problems, service requests, and changes effectively. Learn to streamline processes, automate tasks, enhance service quality, and drive real business value for your organization. Imagine transforming your IT department, fulfilling requests in hours instead of weeks. This course is ideal if you are an aspiring ITSM professional. The good thing is, no prior ServiceNow or ITSM experience is needed. We cover the foundations. Ready to transform your career and advance your understanding and application of IT service management? Your path to ITSM proficiency begins here. Enroll in the course today and set yourself up for success.